Okay, so guys, this is gonna be a quick video. I just got a shipment from China, and I can show you the address. I'm gonna blur it out anyways, so ignore that packet of bread. So I just got my something. I'm gonna tell you what it is. I mean, you already know what it is. You've read the title, you know. So I thought, why not unbox it with you guys? So I'm gonna take it over to my desk. Let's go. And right there. Okay, I need to make space for it. 1 second. Put it on top of my PC. With the keyboard, mouse. Okay, sorry for the shaky camera and all, but I'm filming it on my iPhone, so it should be good because of the optical image stabilization and all that crap. So sit down, and how do I unbox it with one hand? Okay, so I opened it this much. Now let's try and get it out of there. That's my keyboard, yeah. Pretty fancy one. Alright, so it's out. This is it, guys. Remove this. Oh, it says YouTube. Oh yeah. It is from YouTube, after all. You guys don't know what it is, but you're gonna know. Oh, the plastic wrapping. Very nice, very nice. Let me try and get it out like this with one hand. Oh, here it is. Moment of truth. YouTube. It's been 6 or 7 months. 7 months for me for this channel. And I'm gonna show you guys what it is now. And here we... Come on, go. I'm gonna read it to you guys. Susan Wojcicki. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but you have done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big. Yeah, do that first. But we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the last 6 digits. Behind that 6 digits. Yeah, each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Yeah, and for that, I'm thank you guys for that. Seriously, that is only possible, guys. All you guys. So you achieve this much hard work. You know that you don't do this for rewards. No one does this for rewards. Everyone does it because they like it. And that's true to us. Every single YouTuber. You do it because you have the right to be and share. Yes, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that. We can't wait to see what you do next. A million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. So I'm rooting for you. Thank you, the CEO of YouTube, Susan Wojcicki. All right, now. Oh, it's gonna be, oh my god. Ah! It's a silver play button, guys. The silver play button with my name on it. YouTuber Dubs, congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. Oh my god, guys, it's crazy. All thanks to you, by the way. Oh my god, this feels amazing. Oh, come on. Yeah, here we go. Put it down with this wrapping. And yeah, you can see my face, but whatever. You can't really see my face, to be honest. So, YouTuber Dubs, congratulations. Oh, that's my hair. Don't worry about that. Oh my god. Ignore my hair. Congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. I almost said 1,000. 100,000. Insane, guys. Insane. I just want to thank you guys again. I just love you guys so much, and thank you for the 100K. Thank you for the 100K button, YouTube. Silver play button. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. I won't see you, but you will see another YouTuber. But bye, a quick video. See you.